34 checking in. Delta 34, Kennedy Tower, hello, number 3 behind company, the wind 04013, that's 20, runway, 4 right.
For our members tonight in 4K, 60 frames per second. And now let's see if they will get a water salute. Let's have a look. What a beauty. What a beauty. That's going to be for sure the thumbnail already of today's stream. Only 42 minutes in. That's going to be the thumbnail of today's stream. We will see if they get a water salute. Hot and cold therapy for the ankles. Thank you so much for caring. Between hot water with magnesium, yes, that might also be a thing, but I have to increase a little bit. And rinse with cold water seems to help. Thank you so much for taking care of me here and for the good advice. I will try when I'm home. I tend to stand on my right foot. That's where the real problem is. I always tend to stand on the right foot. I don't know why, but this is just how it is. All right, we want to see if Gulf Air receives the water salute. You will have it brighter tonight in the member section. You can see the takeout edited color